How to make money from Telegram. Many people use Telegram as a way to communicate with one another. Over the last 2 years, it has attracted more than 200 million users. It has nevertheless become one of the most popular ways for people to communicate and share information. Find out how to make money with Telegram in 2021. There are a number of features to Telegram, which is a secure messaging platform. As the only messaging platform that allows users to create secret chats, it stands out from the crowd. 1. A great way to make money with Telegram. Sponsored posts, blog posts, and affiliate sales are all ways to make money online. Learn how you can make money with Telegram in this article. 2. Affiliate marketing on Amazon.com. Amazon is one of the most popular online retailers in the world. As part of its affiliate program, Amazon allows business owners to earn money by referring their customers to the site. Earn money by referring Amazon customers. Amazon offers affiliates a referral fee as well. The affiliates level determines the amount of the referral fee. What follows is a guide on how to make money from Amazon. 3. Profit from link shortener services to make money online. There are websites that allow people to shorten their links. A popular link shortening website is Bitly, which has a large user base. Customers who click on your link will pay you a referral fee. There is a fixed amount of commission, which is determined by the affiliate's level. 4. Article promotion for blog posts. Using Telegram, you can create a blog post to help promote your blog. A blog post can be created and shared using the application. In addition to earning money, you can promote your blog for free with this method. 5. Cross promotion on Telegram is also possible. Using Telegram, you can create secret chats. A chat with your friends and others who are interested in the same topic can be created. A great way to make money with Telegram. Sponsored posts, blog posts, and affiliate sales are all ways to make money online. Learn how you can make money with Telegram in this article.